Hi all, I'm in Salisbury, North Carolina, and today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to donate one of our bikes that we no longer use, and it's a great organization. They help kids and even adults get bicycles, and so we're going to bring this guy in. We've had it for a long time. It's still in great shape. It's an old Fuji Thrill mountain bike, so we're going to bring it in and get this guy donated. Wanted to show you this cool signage here, Cheer Wine. Of course, we're in Salisbury, so this is where Cheer Wine is from. What's funny about that, right across here, is Coca-Cola. So here it is, the old Fuji Thrill. They might, it's got rust on the spokes, so I'm not sure if they're still going to use the wheels, but the tires and tube are in great shape. And all you got to do is just clean it up. It works fantastic, no problem there. You have to be a lucky kid, get this mountain bike. So I'm thinking it's in this building here. I'm hoping they're open today. I don't know, but I'll go up to the door and there's a sign on there, but I hope somebody's here. Well, it is almost 2, so they open in 10 minutes. So it says opening at 2, so yeah, we'll just wait. Got some cool looking old frames up here. Yeah, an old Raleigh, old Schwinn. Yeah, it looks like it's probably a pretty cool bike shop in there. Figured I'd show you where I'm at. Here's the train station right here. Very active train station. Yeah, this at one time, there were more railroad tracks here long ago. You can see some of the buildings here that were heavily involved in it. You see the Pepsi Colas right there as well. And yeah, you can come down here. This is, we're in the heart of downtown. Yeah, most of downtown historic areas right beyond those trees. But we're here today to donate a bike to this place right here. And if I didn't mention it, it is the Pedal Factory in Salisbury. And here's the one I'm donating right now. But this is the inside. Take a look here. Oh, let's walk over here. And that's Mary and Charmaine. They're helping me out getting this bike donated. So I'm gonna have all their information in the description. So if you're interested in donating the bike to here, and I'll have all how to find them and everything. And Charmaine's helping me right now donate the bike.
All right, hey y'all. I am Charmaine. I am the Community Outreach Coordinator here at the Pedal Factory, and we are located in downtown Salisbury. If you need to donate a bike or if you need to come and get a bike, come see us or look us up online, www.thepedalfactory.org. Thank you.
And I'll have all the information in the description. And you also work on bikes, right?
Yes,
and they got new bikes too, so they do all kinds of service here to your bike.
The only new bikes we have been donated to us. We don't
really?
purchase bikes that are new. Everything that you see here has been donated. Aside from the tools and the new parts that we have to purchase for safety reasons, like you can't reuse all tires and tubes, so we do get new ones of those. But yeah, we do have some new bikes here, but they were given to us.
This is an awesome setup. I love it in here. This is great. Now, what was this before? This building? Do you remember? Do you know what this was?
A mattress store.
It was a mattress store.
It was. Somebody just told me this the other day.
They were lying.
I promised.
They're not quite sure what this was.
We're a cabinet shop, and I heard it was a manhole cover.
No, a long year. This man said
this could have been Willy Wonka's chocolate factory for all I know.
He did.
So, yeah, this needs to be updated, but just to give you an idea, they do work on, you can also service on your own bike, but they do service here as well. So they have an area, and I'll show you that, where you can pull your bike in and work on it. Now, I do love their graffiti. This is great. The art here is amazing. So check that out. I love the brake pads pressing on the octopus's head. So Charmaine's going to bring me upstairs. I'm going to check it out, but you can bring your bike here and work on it. Okay, we're going up in the attic, pretty much. And we're probably going to find some cool stuff up here.
So I'm just going to let you look.
Sure.
Let you walk.
Now, these all the donations, right?
Everything that we have is donations.
Wow, look at all this. That's pretty impressive. They get them ready to go, too.
We do. The holidays are coming up.
Yeah.
Christmas, it's a big season for us.
Well, Charmaine said Christmas is coming up, so
Christmas is coming up.
yeah, so this is a great place to come.
Catawba comes and they help us out a lot with keeping this maintained.
Wow, look at all this. So kids and adults.
Yes.
Pretty much.
We have an Earn a Bike program where it's open to all, and you can get a free bike. You come in, you schedule an appointment, you pick your bike out.
Well, this is great. was an awesome experience. Yeah, I'll have all the information in the description. They were fantastic. Yeah, and amazing people working here and doing some amazing things. All right, guys, you take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.